bunch of van fanatics having a good time. I've said this before and I'll say it again. I think we're every bit as fanatical as Tacoma and Wrangler drivers. There's just not as many of us. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Yesterday's upload was details on the lifted van meet, the meetup dates, location, and time. So depending on if you're going to meet up with us on Friday or Saturday, it's 2 different locations and 2 different times. So I will pin yesterday's video in the comment section, so watch that video for details on when to meet up with us. November 1st and November 2nd will be the official meetup dates depending on what day you could join us. So today's video, what is a lifted van meet? A couple of you have been asking me if it's family friendly, if you could take your kids with you. And yes, take your family with you. It's family friendly, it's kid friendly. I really hope my brother-in-law's brother joins us. He's into campground camping. He's been doing paid campgrounds, but he really wants to do middle of nowhere, overlanding type camping, you know, start a fire, have his kid collect firewood. So I really hope he joins us. As always, you don't need a lifted van to join us. You don't even have to have a van to join us. My brother-in-law's brother has a Nissan Frontier. Before I started talking about my van build, this is my second van build. I'm just a guy into cars, so I have friends who have other rigs, and you guys are welcome to join us. In my opinion, vans are the best camping rig. I love this hobby, and that's why I started doing these lifted van meets. Made some great friends on YouTube. So I'm not going to tell you guys what time to wake up. There's no itinerary. I'm not going to make you guys go hiking. So bring your family, set up some camping chairs, collect some firewood, and just hang out. My brother-in-law's brother, he hasn't gone overlanding yet because he doesn't want to risk getting stuck, getting his family stuck. So I invited him to come out with us. I told him you're going to be in the safety of a group with recovery gear, knowledgeable people who know how to handle a breakdown. So your family will be safe. And that means everything to some people. So that's what I want to provide to you guys. And if you watch my channel for the lifted van content, you love this hobby too. And I know you're looking forward to the lifted van convoy. It looks really epic when these vans are in a convoy, caravanning. So that's it. That's what a lifted van meet is. It's not about who has the best stuff. You know, it's not an ego contest, none of that. I just want you guys to experience how great this hobby is. Like, if you've been itching to try out your van build, this is the meet to go to. So if you're able to meet us on Friday night, that's going to be truck stop camping. And then the truck stop we're going to hang out at, it's 30 minutes from Slab City. And you guys have heard the reputation. You guys know the reputation of Slab City. But if you go in a convoy, it's 100% safe. Your kids are going to be safe. We're going to be in a group. So we're going to go through Slab City real quick. So we're going to meet at the Flying J near Slab City Friday night. Saturday morning, we're going to get ready, go through Slab City, then head to the campground. We're going to go to the gas station that's only 30 minutes from camp. So Friday night or Saturday 2 p.m. 2 different meetup spots. So yeah, you're going to be able to experience truck stop camping if you haven't done it before. And if you got a van build and you've done it before, a couple of you have told me you love truck stop camping. You love Flying J camping. Your kids love it too, and that's what I like to hear. So yeah, a couple of you guys have told me your kids love the lifted van and they're looking forward to the next adventure. And if this is your first time experiencing your van build, join us. You're gonna love it and you're gonna want to go out all the time. That's all I want to do, is go on road trips now. And some of you might be adventure junkies. You've done this a million times and can't get enough of it. And like me, you want to see the lifted van convoy. Yeah, a couple of you are gonna convoy to the lifted van meets. This lifted van meet's gonna be big. Looks like it's gonna be about 15 minimum. So the convoy going to the lifted van meet looks like it might be bigger than my previous van meets, you know, that I've done in the past. So that's just the convoy driving down to the lifted van meet. So it's going to be really cool. So yes, take your family with you. It's family friendly, it's kid friendly. Yeah, no wake up times, no itinerary. Come down for the safety, for the epic convoy, and just hang out with your family. Set up some camping chairs, collect some firewood, enjoy the stars, enjoy the van build, and check out all the cool vans that will be at this meet. It's going to be a nice variety. And like I said, you don't need a lifted van to join us. You don't even have to have a van to join us. So there's going to be other rides there as well. So my meets have been Econoline heavy. So I'm really hoping to see some Dodge and GM vans there. Even Sprinters are welcome. Who's got a Sprinter? Who wants to join us? Show us what your 4x4 Sprinter can do.